Hello everyone. Unit 1 Databases and Database Users Lecture number 2 contains actors on the scene, database administrators, database designers, end users, system analysts and application programmers. Workers behind the scene, database management system designers and implementers, tool developers, operators and maintenance personnel. That's summary. So first we see actors on the scene. The people whose jobs involve the day-to-day use of large database, we call them as the actors on the scene. So we have 4 different types of actors on the scene. Database administrators. In any organization where many people use the same resources, there is a need for a chief administrator to oversee and manage these resources, are called as the database administrators. Database designers. Database designers are responsible for identifying the data to be stored in the database and for choosing appropriate structures so represent and store this data, are called as the database designers. So next we see end users. End users are the people whose jobs require access to the database for querying, updating and generating reports. Categories of end users. First one is the casual end users. Casual end user means they can access the database occasionally. Okay, so this type of users are called as a casual end users. Example are middle level managers. Okay, so these are the example of casual end users. So next one is the parametric end users. These users constantly performs querying and updating the database using standard types of queries and updates. Call them as the parametric end users. Such as in a bank tellers check account balance and post withdrawal and deposits, right? So these are the parametric end users. So next is a sophisticated end users. So these end users truly familiarize themselves with the facilities of the database management system in order to implement their own application to meet their complex requirements. Okay, so such as the examples of sophisticated end users are engineers, scientists, business analysts. Okay, so these are the sophisticated end users. So next one is standalone users. These end users maintain personal database by using ready-made package. Okay, an example, the user of tax package that stores a variety of personal financial data for tax purpose. Okay, so this type of users called as a standalone users. So next one is the system analyst or application programmers. System analysts determine the requirement of end users, parametric end users, and develop specification for standard CAN transaction that meet these requirements. This type of users called as a system analyst or a application programmer. So next we see workers behind the scene. The design, development and operation of the database management system software and system environment. Okay, so first one is the database management system designers and implementers. Design and implement the database management system modules and interface as a software package. So next we have a tool developers. Design and implement tool the software packages that facilitate database modeling and design, database system design and improve performance, right? So this type of users are tool developers. So next one is the operators and maintenance personnel. are responsible for actual running and maintenance of the hardware and software environment. Okay, so these are the responsible of operators and maintenance personally. So this is about workers behind the scene. So summary, actors on the scene. So in this we have a database administrators, database designers, end users, different types of end users, system analysts and application programmers. So in a workers behind the scene, DBMS system designers and implementers, tool developers, operators and maintenance personnel. Okay, so this is about actors on the scene and workers behind the scene. Thank you.